Hello viewer, we will make the selection here. So there we have. I will make a layer via cut. Here we will try to add a paint there. Let's change the layer style by using that. Again make the further selection here around the second one. So make a layer via cut. Create the design here. We will use the shapes. Add a layer via cut again. So there is a paint. We will choose here. Use the razor tool on the surface.